What if I told you that you can make money in markets with just simple indicators? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I'm going to show you how to use indicators to trade like a boss. So let's get started. First things first, add the Gaussian channel indicator to the chart. As soon as we add the indicator, we need to adjust its settings a bit. The Gaussian channel indicator is like a traffic light for your trading. When the band turns green, it means the buyers are in control and the price is going up. So when the band changes from red to green, that's your cue to buy. And when the band turns red, it means the sellers are dominating and the price is going down. So when they changes from green to red, that's your cue to sell. But wait a minute, don't rush into trades just yet. You see, this indicator is not perfect. It has some flaws that you need to be aware of. It can get confused when the market is sideways and choppy, and it gives you false signals that go against the trend. But don't worry, we're going to fix these problems. That's where the colored moving averages indicator comes in handy. This indicator will draw some smooth lines on your chart that will show you the direction of the strength of the trend. The color of the lines will change depending on whether the trend is up or down. But before we use this indicator, we need to adjust its settings a bit. So follow me as I tweak its settings. Now, let's dive into how the colored moving averages indicator work. Basically, the price's location compared to the moving average and the color of the moving average are key to finding the market trend. This means that when the price is above the moving average and the moving average is green, it shows a strong uptrend. So, in these situations, any sell signals should be ignored. Likewise, when the price is below the moving average and the moving average is red, it shows a strong downtrend, and all buy signals in these situations should be avoided. But as you know, you can't add the third indicator on TradingView, except for one exception, and that's the volume indicator. After you've checked out the indicator section, you can add the volume indicator as your third one to the chart. Now go to its settings and, like me, tweak them. The volume indicator has a colored bar and a moving average line. When the bar is red and above the line, it shows a strong bearish movement. And when the bar is green and above the line, it shows a strong bullish movement. So now let's pull it all together. If we want to buy, we first need to wait for GC indicator's band to turn green from red. Then we need to make sure we're trading up. And lastly, the volume indicator must agree. Now, if all these things line up, then we can go long. Then put the stop loss under the lower band of the GC indicator. And for exit strategy, think about setting your target 1.5 times the stop loss amount. Now, for the short trade, watch the GC indicator. Wait for the bands to turn red from green. And make sure you're trading down. That's crucial. And don't forget to check with the volume indicator to back up the signal. Only when all these things line up, that's your go ahead to sell. To protect your money, put your stop loss above the upper band of the GC indicator. And for exit strategy, aim for a target that's 1.5 times your stop loss amount. But if you want to know which indicator and trading view can help you make money fast on any chart, then you need to watch this video.